Today we are going to be making my family's casserole dish. Cut 1 entire onion. My eyes. Yeah. Now mince 1 to 2 cloves of garlic. Pan. Heat up some olive oil. Saute your onions and garlic. Add in 1 whole pound of ground beef. Mix it up until it is nice and brown. While it is cooking, season with salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. In a large casserole dish, combine the ground beef mixture, 1 can of tomato sauce, 1 can of creamed corn, and 2 cups of any small shells of your choice. Add about a half can or so of water so that the mixture is a little soupy. Sprinkle some of your favorite shredded cheese. Finish it off with a little more Italian seasoning. Put it in the oven to bake for 45 minutes. Now tell me in the comments below what you think of casserole dishes. It is done. Now time to take it out. Look at that. That looks so good. Keep in mind, it is still pretty hot and it will still cook. You have to let it cool before you eat it. Trust me, don't eat it while it is this hot. You can still see it bubbling. Now, every chef must taste their food. If you look at this, it has a really nice cheesy crust. Time to taste it. That's actually good. Yeah. And you can play around with it and use different kinds of pasta that you want to use and make it personal. And don't forget to watch this video over here that YouTube recommends that you should watch. Now go click it. Click it. Cheesy.